going on, you guys? So today I want to teach you how to toast some fennel seeds. Fennel seeds are great for your digestive system. They are cooling for the body, but they increase the agni and help with the digestion. They're great to eat after your meals, the toasted fennel seeds. Something that's going on when we toast the fennel seeds is there's going to be some cracking and popping. The cracking and popping is releasing the vata that's trapped inside the seed. And what's left after that is just the medicinal aspects of it, which are increasing in digestion, burning in ama, which is toxins inside the body, and cooling. So using fennel seeds is extremely medicinal. It's great to take after any meal. I use it almost all the time after every meal. It's great to burn up any undigested food particles and just keep everything going. So I suggest this to a lot of my clients and friends and family and everybody. So today I'm going to show you how to do it because a lot of people have asked me like, what's going on here? So very basically, you want to start with a dry pan. I have one of these just because this is what's available in India, but you might use a regular skillet at home. And then I like to start with a cold pan and cold fennel seeds. This is about a cup of fennel seeds. The reason I do a cold pan and cold seeds is because we want the temperature of the seeds in the pan to come up at the same time so that we don't scorch them. If we were using a hot pan and we put the cold seeds in there, they would burn actually before they ever got to the point where the internal temperature was hot enough to release the volatile essential oils that are inside. The volatile essential oils are very good, they're very medicinal, but for our purposes, we don't want them. So we're just going to burn that off in this process here. Alright, so still cold, seeds cold, boom. My nifty stir. If you have a saute pan at home, you can just toss it very simply. Or if you're not comfortable with doing the saute action, you can stir around. I like to keep them a little bit spread out again so we can get all the seeds hot at the same time. And what we're looking for here when we're doing the toasting is some cracking and popping to happen and a little bit of smoke starting to happen. Also, when you start this, you're going to want to have a flat pan ready, either like a sheet pan or just a plate is enough to use, so that as soon as the seeds start toasting and popping and cracking, then you have somewhere cool to dump them right away. If you just turn off the flame simply, then they'll be left to scorch inside the hot pan because of the residual heat inside the pan. You can also, pay attention to the smell as you do this. I like to think of it as fennel popcorn. Alright, so we're starting to get some smoke now and some cracking and popping. You can hear and see him jumping around a little bit. This is exactly where you want to be. And this part, this stage, you want to pay close attention because it'll go from cracking and popping to burning very quickly. I would say within like 30 to 45 seconds. So right now, we're moving around a lot. So I'm getting heat to all of the seeds. You can see the color starting to change. Some of the smoke is coming now. I'm going to cut the flame so the heat's off. There's still some residual heat in the pan. Just get a nice, as even as you can, golden brown. Not every single individual seed is going to be toasted perfectly itself. And then directly to cool off. And this you can even spread them out a little bit. Once the smoke comes off them and they're cooled down a little bit, then they're ready to eat. And you can toast, I toasted just about a cup right now. You can toast a cup, you can toast 3 cups, you can toast a gallon, however much you want to keep around at the house. And this is great to put in like a tiny jar or something like this to keep in your bag, which I do. I keep in my backpack, like a small, so every time I go out, I'm with friends or I'm not at home or something like this, I can have the fennel seeds after my meals to keep the agni rocking and rolling. That's it. Thank you so much. Appreciate you guys. And that's toasted fennel seeds.